So lovelies, we are ready for the day, and these are outfits, and we are going to the Hermes fabric store. And yeah, so with no expectations, and if I'm able to get something, fine. If not, I'm also okay. And yeah, so let's go. it's 6:43 in the morning. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of what I got yesterday in Paris. Like, oh my god, I was really happy getting this Goyard bag, and I would love to unbox it with you guys because I'm definitely going to start using it now. And yeah, so this is my outfit, my Kate, my Hermes Kelly belt, and this, but I'm still going to wear my Hermes orange sandals. And yeah, so let's get started. So yesterday was my, going to Hermes and also to Goyard and different other stores. And yeah, so I went to Goyard store, and the queue was really long, like, oh my goodness. So because I wanted this bag, I just needed to wait with the kids, and thank God the kids, they were in a good mood, nice weather, and they were playing outside until it got to our turn. And I just showed them the picture and the name of the bag that I wanted, and the cute guy went in and came in with this bag. I was so happy because I don't know if they always have it, that's why I'm saying I was so happy, because in Hamburg, in Germany precise, we don't have Goyard store. So really happy to get it. So I went for the travel bag, the Atos. I'm gonna write the name down, the GM size. And yes, so let's get started. Here we go. So this is the proof of purchase. It's massive. So I was like trying to get some videos or pictures for you guys, but it was not allowed. Even I was taking pictures, I think 2 or 3 pictures, when my girl came to me and said, "Mommy, it's not allowed. Didn't you see the sign out there?" I was like, oh my goodness. But the people inside, they were really nice to me, so I just stopped. So it's not allowed to video or take pictures inside. So let's go. This is what I got. Oops. Oh my god, yes. I went for this massive travel tote bag. Like, why I took this bag is because I have 2 kids, as you guys know, and when you're traveling or when you're going for a weekend, so I just need something that really have space where everything will just contain. And yes, so I came with LV backpack, but sometimes the LV backpack is really heavy. Like, I just feel the heaviness on my shoulder, and at the end of the day, like, I'm really tired. I think that's why, this bag is for men, it's not for ladies. We're traveling more with the kids, and this is the inside. The main reason, the big size, and also it comes with a lock. So this is really cute. When you have a tote bag, then you can zip. I'm just trying to, you can zip, and it comes with, a lock. And yes, now we are Paris, and yes, so you can definitely have it closed, that no pickpocket. We are in Paris. You guys need to see the way I'm moving around Paris, like, really making sure that no pickpockets get to me. And yes, so this is it. So you just have everything you need inside, and you have it locked, and yeah, you're ready to go. Very big, large when I get home. So I'm definitely going to look for an insert for this and store. So really big. Yeah, so this is what I got in Paris. And yes, so I have to wait the girls now and yeah, get them ready. And yeah, so see you all. Oh, I just fold mine because it's long and I have to wake the girls, so that's why I fold my Kate, you know. Definitely so definitely I'll be wearing my orange sandals. I'm not wearing this. And yeah, so see you all on my next vlog, and love you all. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so. Hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video, and also do follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. Please love, share and like. See you all. Bye.
Okay.
What's the one with you?
Yeah.